Sure, here's a basic homemade chili recipe for you. Ingredients: asterisk asterisk. 1 pound ground beef. You can also use ground turkey, chicken, or a plant-based alternative. 1 onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 bell pepper, chopped. 1 can, 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes. 1 can, 15 ounces, kidney beans, drained and rinsed. 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, drained and rinsed. 2 cups beef or vegetable broth. 2 tablespoons chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Adjust to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: shredded cheese, sour cream, chopped green onions, chopped cilantro. Asterisk instructions, asterisk. 1. In a large pot or Dutch oven, cook the ground beef over medium-high heat until browned. If using lean meat, you might need to add a bit of oil to prevent sticking. 2. Add the chopped onion, bell pepper, and minced garlic to the pot. Sauté until the vegetables are softened. 3. Stir in the chili powder, cumin, paprika, oregano, and cayenne pepper. Cook for a minute or two to toast the spices and enhance their flavors. 4. Add the diced tomatoes, with their juices, drained kidney beans, and drained black beans to the pot. Mix well. 5. Pour in the broth and stir to combine all the ingredients. 6. Bring the chili to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let the chili cook for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. 7. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. If you prefer a spicier chili, you can add more cayenne pepper or your favorite hot sauce. 8. Continue to simmer the chili for an additional 15 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the chili to thicken to your desired consistency. 9. Once the chili is ready, ladle it into bowls and serve with your choice of optional toppings, such as shredded cheese, sour cream, chopped green onions, and chopped cilantro. 10. Enjoy your homemade chili with some crusty bread, cornbread, or tortilla chips. Feel free to customize this recipe to your preferences. You can add more vegetables, adjust the spices, or experiment with different types of beans. Chili is quite versatile, so have fun making it your own.